Safer Grip gloves are CE certified, EN 388 4131 compliant, and have an abrasion resistance of 40,000 cycles. Our gloves are Ercotech Standard 100, are skin-friendly, latex-free, and guarantee a high level of protection, comfort, and durability. Safer Grip gloves are made of 15-gauge nylon polyester engineered yarn. The glove conforms to the operator's hand and offers maximum flexibility and comfort. Our Spandex nylon glove palms are coated in microfoam nitrile and are quite flexible, making Safer Grip gloves perfect for working with tools and protecting gloves.
I got these gloves called Safer Grip.
These are by far the best gloves.
We literally use these for everything.
Time to tell you about how great these gloves are.
But having these Safer Grip gloves by OPNBar made it way easier.
Can I just say though, they are really comfy.
There's pretty much no application so far that these have not helped me out with.
And better than other work gloves I've used in the past.
Thank you, Safer Grip.
Thank you, OPNBar.
So, if you're in the market for a nice set of multi-purpose gloves for indoor, outdoor, wet, or dry,
I get these one. These are very nice.
I strongly suggest picking these up.
Go check them out and see what all the hype is about.